Alright guys, well if you could see, well one, I need a haircut. It's getting redonkulous up here. But if you can see by this extra 2 foot of space we have in here, we moved. So, gotta clean out, gotta set up shop again. So, well, let's start organizing. Guys, back in, hold on, let's turn this light on. This light's terrible. Back here a couple days later. Got pretty busy with the finishing up the move, but got the whole garage set up, so give you a little rundown how I like to do it. Got the Harbor Freight lift. I always keep it right there. Main thing about these lifts is that, I mean, they're decent, not the greatest, but you want to keep this little black bar in, and you want to lower it so all the weight's on that black bar and not on the jack. That's how you get the most of your Harbor Freight stuff. With this basket case, we got it should have all the parts. I just ordered the front brake lines, so we should be able to throw this thing back together here pretty soon. Got it. This area is still a mess. I need to figure out what I want to do with that shelf. Most of that stuff's going to come off and be on the 6. Got a mini fridge, you know, I got to keep the beer cold. Extra tires. You got the Snap-on box. Now it's the Harbor Freight box. Just do some Snap-on stickers, make myself feel better. We got the Carlini's all finished up. Do a full video on that. We got the 50 all finished up. Have to do another video on that. Yeah. So you gotta have the Harbor Freight rolly chairs. I mean, this is pretty much just the Harbor Freight garage that we like to get some stuff done in. Give you guys a rundown of the toolbox up here. I mean, I'm too short to see up here, so this is just all junk. And then this is like a extra junk drawer. This is my too big to do stuff with junk drawer. Got eraser wheels, some painter's tape, zip tie drawer, screwdrivers, pliers, my electrical drawer. This is my specialty bike tool drawer. So like that's a 39mm fork seal driver for Harleys. I got some pit bike parts in here. Got my brake bleeder, tire irons. This is a Lonely Torque Wrench drawer. Got my sockets. It looks empty because I have no 1/2-inch sockets, but I mean, we make it work. I could use a lot more sockets. Got my drivers and extensions. Still need to organize this. Normally I have this drawer, American Standard, and this drawer metric, but this drawer is empty now. And then got my crow's feet, my adjustable drawer. You know, I gotta have the all 16ths. Empty. Pry bars. Empty. I got some automotive stuff in that one, you know, random tools. Got my kits in here, so like my snap ring box, my tap and dice set, chain breaker. It's my hammer drawer. Let's see here. Kind of like my random drawer here. Got everything you need from Loctite grip glue. This is my Dremel drawer, my Allen drawer, my battery tender / file drawer, pick drawer, ratchet strap drawer. You have to have a ratchet strap drawer, and a hacksaw drawer, you know, for when things have to get a little crazy. And a locker. Kind of just keep a bunch of random stuff in here. Can't really see it. I need a light. Hold on, let's see. Alright, and you got some random stuff. Got my Harley tuner in there. Some fork seals. Oh, my truck filter's in the way back. Got my cleaning supplies. And then just my big crappy plug-in tools, like grinder, impact, heat gun, Dremel. I mean, you see, that's how I set up my garage. I mean, nothing really all that fancy, just Harbor Freight built, you know, working man stuff. All my tools are Craftsman Cobalt, you know, got some icons in there. I don't make a living with my tools, so just I don't need the best of the best, I guess. Or maybe you don't need the best of the best. Just go out and start wrenching on some stuff. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in for how I set up the garage. Next video, we should be able to get that one going, you know. Look at that big old, that's the whole pizza on that back wheel. That's not just a piece, that's the whole pie. Alright, so yeah, hopefully we'll get that one done. Hopefully my buddy Marcus comes back down, and or we start working on the F4i, so I have a riding buddy. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments below.